Hello everyone. Take two containers, put one over the other, line it with cloth and then jute thread. Add a handle to it by wrapping the jute thread around it, then add decorative pieces. Take a little box and then make a slit through it. Insert a circular piece into it. After this, add many wires around it as such. Line it with jute thread and put one layer over the other and there you have it. Take a bottle and then cut out one piece of it. Wrap the bottle using these pieces of cloth and then line it with lace. Take CDs and then after that line it with cloth and following this, stick some tubes all around it. Line it with some jute thread. Add a little container top to it as well. Take a cardboard paper or an empty tissue roll, make a circular hole out of it. At the top add a conical shape. Now make small little birds out of thread. Take two circular shapes and then add cloth to both the ends. Add little wires all around and then lift it up. After this, begin to put thread around it as such. Do this until the top and then fill it up with flowers. Take two circular objects, put them one on top of the other after wrapping them with cloth. Line it with the jute thread as such alternatively. Then, once you reach the top, line it in and then add a handle to it. Take an empty container and then add jute thread around it, before which you will add little tubules as such. Now, once you reach the top, add a decorative piece to it. Take two CDs as such and then stick them one on top of the other. Add wires to it and lift them upwards. Add a handle to it and move it as you please. Take a compass and then draw a circular shape. Cut out both these circular shapes after drawing an animated item on it and then stick one on top of the other. Add lace to it as well, use them as coasters. Take an empty jelly container, add wire to it as such, line it accordingly and make a little cup out of it. Thank you for watching.